First, open the Facebook app and go to the page you want to manage. Once you are on your page profile, tap the three-dot menu button on the right side of the screen. Tap on Page Status. On the next screen, you will find the option to manage admins. Tap that to continue. To add someone new, tap the Add New button. This will take you to a screen explaining the different types of access you can grant. Once you have read the details, tap Next. Now, use the search bar to find the person you want to add. Type their name or email address and select them from the list when they appear. You can toggle on permission for insights, ads, content. Carefully select the permissions you want to grant based on their role. Once you have set the permissions, tap the Give Access button at the bottom. For security, Facebook will ask you to enter your password to confirm the action. After entering your password, tap Confirm. And that's it. An invitation has now been sent to the person you selected. The invitation is valid for 31 days. On this screen, you can even choose to cancel it if you change your mind. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more social media tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.